During the month of May, we celebrated Mother's Day. This was a special occasion for those lovely members of our families in which our children from nursery to 5th grade performed to honor mothers, grandmothers, sisters, and aunts. Each grade team had a presentation in which they sang, danced, and acted, as well as each student brought to them a pretty craft that they had made before in art class. Our mothers were awarded in different ways, so they felt happy and excited as some of them were crying. At the end of the activity, mothers had the opportunity to appreciate the crafts exhibition around the auditorium. They also took pictures with their sons and daughters, and they ate a brunch. In addition to that, we are proud of our students' moms who came to spend quality time with the little one. And remember, to be a mom is a plus. This is Juan Elias reporting from Blasting News. See you next time.